All right, so this is going to be our final video for Chapter 4, CSE 3200. And we are going to go into QuizViewModel. I think the book says go ahead and take out these logs, but since I never saw this log and expected to, I'm going to keep that there for a while and just build the other stuff in around it. So we're going to go into MainActivity. And we are going to take these two things and we're going to cut them. It'll cause errors in the MainActivity, but we'll polish that up in a minute. So why we're doing this is that since data persists in a view model, we're going to take advantage of that, and we are going to put the simple data that we're going to keep track of in our QuizViewModel. So I'm going to cut this with a Control X. Ignore errors for now and go over to QuizViewModel. I'm going to X out question, go into QuizViewModel, and let's see, put it here. I don't need to make any changes on that side. I'll keep the init. I'll keep the uncleared, although the book deleted them. Okay, so we're going to go val, current question answer, of type Boolean, and then get pren equals question bank at current index dot answer. Okay, that works. Another one like that, val current question text of type int, enter, tab, get pren equals question bank at current index dot, try again, dot text res ID. I just closed out the question class. It was a simple class, and it's basically had these two things that I could get from it, the answer and the text res ID. And we are going to use our question bank and current index to get those questions out of it. So question now really doesn't even live in MainActivity at all. One more thing on this side, fun, move to next, pren, begin brace, current index is equal to, this line can really just come from MainActivity, where I have this here. So I will copy it, even though I probably could cut it. I'm going to go back to QuizViewModel. All right, I think we're all set with the QuizViewModel side. Now we basically just need to go into MainActivity and basically update things on that side. All right, so under the next button where we have this answer here, if we go back to QuizViewModel, that is just move to next. So we are going to go QuizViewModel, which we have made one up here. Let me find it. This guy right here. So we have a instance of QuizViewModel, which should just get created when we call the onCreate and we hit this line. And so I'll comment it out, but it doesn't need to stay there anymore. It can be deleted, and you probably want to delete it. And I will go QuizViewModel dot move to next. Okay, that one's all set. Under update question and check answer, we have errors that have now been generated because we took question bank and current index out of this class and we put it into our QuizViewModel. So we need to update these two lines. So I'll comment this out. or you could delete it, or you could change it, because I do need the val question text res ID. So I'll copy this and enter and paste. Val question text res ID is equal to QuizViewModel dot current question text. All right, and we had an error there, but that just happened when we commented this out, or it didn't understand that, and that is now fixed. And one more, val correct answer. That is going to, well, you can comment that out or delete it or change it, because we need this part of the line there. Val correct answer is equal to QuizViewModel dot current question text. Okay, I had an error here, and I was thinking I deleted something, but this error says that the double equals operator cannot be applied to an int and a Boolean, so I must have typed the wrong one here. Yeah, this one was the int. I must have auto-selected and picked the wrong one. Current question answer. Wonder why it wants a Boolean there. I wonder why I got the incorrect choice for the autocorrect. All right. Okay, well, let's just run this and make sure our app works, and we can check the logcat and see if we got any good updates. Not keeping my fingers crossed the logcat's working for me, because this error we've been talking about for a while. All right, so let's see. I should be able to say this is true and get correct. I should say it's false and get incorrect. Go to the next question. Say it's true and it's correct, false and it's incorrect. I'll just try one that I know is the opposite. So, okay, that's it. And, you know, now the state should persist across a rotation, although it always did. So it's no surprise that that didn't change. All right, let me check the logcat to see if we, okay, the quiz model, we got a reference, so that happened in the main activity, but nowhere here do I see, oh, I did not add the second tag in, and that's why I never saw it. So if we go tag quiz view, then we can see that the QuizViewModel instance got created. All right, let's use the back button and see if we get a destroyed at all. And we didn't, but that is something that we have not been getting throughout. Okay, so that is it for Chapter 4, and we got our dependencies in, even though that's a little fiddly about the numbers that we had to put in there. We added the view model. We talked about the by keyword. We talked about the view model lifecycle and how they are related, the activity with the view model. We talked about how the data will persist by using a view model. And we updated the main activity after we put our simple data about our question list and our current index into the view model. So we had to change some of our code and update main activity because we lost those values that used to be known inside main activity, and now we had to access them through the view model. Okay, so we'll see you again. I'm not sure if we're going on to Chapter 5 from here. I still have to consider that. We may go into either parts of 5 and or 6, but we are certainly going to spend a good bit of time in 7. So haven't figured that out, but whatever video that is in, I will see you there next.